Between my boat and my truck, well, I'm a little ADD about trying to keep it clean. I want to be able to see my face in the hull of my boat. I want my upholstery to look new. I want my dash to look new. I want my tires to shine. Well, Lucas made it easy. They came up with a detailing kit. There really is not an application to your boat or your truck that this kit will not provide the perfect solution. Lucas Oil put it all together for you in one easy place, and it's all you need. I don't care if it's upholstery, the hull of your boat, whether you're talking about your dashboard, your tires, anything that would be pulled up and down the road, truck and boat, will be handled by this detail kit. It's absolutely perfect. That's got the interior detailer, the tire trim and shine, and the speed wax.